from your PC coils. Or guinea kind they make. So let's begin to bring back the coils of this hair. As you can see, this hair is not looking gangly. All the coils are gone. I don't know where they went. So this is Superior. Inside here is a bit of Koilala, Miracle Worker, and a lot of water many parts. You understand me? You will begin to spray on the hair and make sure the hair is very, very wet. Carry your brush, okay? Begin to brush. See the way water they drip out. Let water drip out, okay? You dey see coils they cry already. I will bring this one down. Una they see the way coils they cry for here. The thing they do you like magic, Abby? Is it doing you like magic? See coils, oh, men help me, help me, oh, cha the hair boss. They see coils. My leave-in condition. Rub all over the hair. You bend the brush. I will apply my styling mousse, and this is on period. Begin to comb. Can your curly hair ever? Check out the final look, guys. So I left this hair to hair dry. This is the final look. Can you see? Can you see how kinky this hair is looking? This is on period. Make sure you allow it to hair dry. You can see it's looking so beautiful, like the coils they mold together. So you can see the outcome is coming. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and drop your opinion if this video was helpful to you. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.